Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Gann Square Indicator for MT4 and MT5. Although my focus is going to be on the MT4 version in this video, all right? Just check the description below for the links to both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. Okay, after downloading the indicator, just head over to your indicators folder for your platform, be it MT4 or MT5. Then you paste the indicator file in there. After that, head over to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, having done that, you should find the Gann Square Indicator. If you still can't find it, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay, now we're just going to drag and drop the Gann Square Indicator, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for your input, you can find out that there are quite a lot of customizable settings here. You can modify them if you wish, or just use the default settings. Okay, so now as we can see, this indicator brings the power of the Gann Square framework directly onto your chart. So it helps you to pinpoint key price levels, time cycles, and potential reversal zones, right? It is an indicator that, is suitable for those who are, Gann fans, right? If your strategy is dependent on the Gann principle, then maybe you're going to find this indicator quite interesting. Yeah, you can see the levels that are being plotted here on the chart, important levels, dynamic support levels in the form of this axe. All right, so when price gets to either of the horizontal levels or the act levels, there could be a potential reversal. As you can see, price is currently reacting to this horizontal level, the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Right now, ensure that you always make use of proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and ensure that you always use proper lot sizing. It's very important. Do not neglect lot sizing depending on your account balance. All right, depending on your account balance, you should be able to use the appropriate lot size. Okay, and now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications, okay, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.